Alright guys, as you can see, it's absolutely horrible out. And it's already late in the day. I'm hoping it's not too late, but I want to go down to the beach and just check out the conditions right on the shore. Guys, you can already see the flooding in the streets here pretty bad. Now I'm heading to the beach and I've definitely got a late start. It's already getting dark, so I don't even know what we'll be able to see, but I'm already on my way there, so we're gonna go check it out and see what it looks like. I can already see the conditions worsening as I get further east. I'm on Federal Highway now, so I'm just about a mile and a half west of the ocean, and the traffic lights are out on Spanish River, which means, I guess, how am I gonna get there? Can we turn? Can we turn? Left turn? No left turn? All right. I don't see him following me yet. I guess it's just because the lights were out. I don't think we'll have trouble finding a spot now. Not one car. Not one. Does that mean I'm not allowed to park here? No idea, but I'm going to. Whoa! Guys, I have no idea what's going on, and I'm definitely going to get pummeled out there, but I'm giving it a shot. We're here. Let's go. Hey, are we allowed to be here now? Just giving it a shot, huh? You're going to work out? This guy's going to work out. Oh, she's working out?
Just so you know, our gyms are going to close at 5 o'clock, so...
Oh.
I'm fine not working out.
Have fun. I'm going to check out the beach. Here goes nothing. So this time around, guys, I'm going to be cognizant of trying to make sure that the lens is clean as often as I can, because as soon as a drop of water gets on it, I saw how it looks. It doesn't look too good, so I'm going to try to keep aware of that. Here we go. Oh my God! Guys, this is just insane. Been coming to the beach a long time. Been through a lot of storms, but I don't see one person here. As you would understand, but the ocean right now, I've never seen it this high, and the waves this powerful. You're probably not going to hear me too good. I might switch. Because it's so windy, the audio's gonna be horrible. And I'm getting hit by the sand right now. The sand is actually really hurting my legs. just in case the GoPro video doesn't come out and you can't hear any audio, I switched to my phone just to make sure you can see some of this. It's just incredible, the size of the waves. It's unbelievable the force of the wind. Look at those white caps. I wouldn't go in that water right now if you paid me. I know the audio is going to be terrible, but hopefully the video will make up for it. There's almost no visibility out there. Of course, you know, it's the end of the day. It's starting to get darker, but you can still tell that you can't see out there really past maybe 50 yards. If that. Guys, GoPro stick is getting almost ripped out of my hands from the wind. And the sand hitting my body right now. It's just eating my skin alive. Really hurts, it's very painful. It was certainly worth coming out here to check this out, but I gotta be honest with you, the conditions are brutal. I'm not sure how much more of this I can stand. I'm gonna try to do a quick time lapse of the ocean. Stand by. Guys, I'm gonna have to get out of here. I just wanted to check in with you and show you the conditions steadily going downhill here from Spanish River and Boca Raton. Guys, it's almost dark now, but I just wanted to come out here and give you a little perspective of what's going on. Just walking to the back of the beach, I can feel how much better it feels without that wind hitting me the way it is by the shore and the sand biting at my legs. So, I just wanted to check in with you, show you the conditions from here. Till next time, this is the Barefoot Vlogger saying, back down those hatches. Woo! Never felt so good to be in my car.